Hi, I'm Renee. I clean and organize my followers' homes for free. Above the cabinets was food storage that I had to make sure went in the cabinets. This cabinet had to be completely emptied out. She was getting a new roommate, and this was going to be their storage. Spices, spices, spices. Almost 2 full cupboards of spices. The silverware drawer just needed a quick straightening. She wanted to keep all the plastic silverware. So I started out by emptying all the cupboards and checking for expired food. I had some spice racks I was going to try, but they did not fit in the space. The spice racks would not turn, they just sat there. I'm wearing magnifying glasses to be able to see the expiration date on the expired food. I'll leave a description in the link below. It makes it easier to see the expiration dates. I am not sponsored by this product. So here's the backstory. This lady reached out to me needing help with her kitchen and laundry room and hallway closet. She was getting a new roommate. She wanted to make sure that the new roommate had place for their items in both the kitchen and laundry room. Here's the review she left me after I was done. When I asked her about her hourly rate and she said free, I didn't believe her, but she is truly out there changing lives, offering her time, talent, and gas, helping folks get their space organized for free. I would have gladly paid for her service. She did a wonderful job. There are still good people in the world. Thank you so much for the great review. So next I'm moving to the laundry room that is going to be the new laundry room pantry. I'm sorting items with heavier items on the lower shelf and lighter items on the upper shelf. Like items with like items, like products with like products. I'm also reorganizing the laundry items, putting detergent with detergent, fabric softener with fabric softener, and the items that are used most often on the lower shelf and less often on the higher shelf. I'm so glad I could help her get ready for her new roommate. I realized I did not look at the cabinet above the refrigerator, so I started working on that next. I'm continuing to organize the spices. She had quite a few of duplicates for inventory. Above the cabinets I put items that she very rarely uses, and I got the food off the top shelf and then just put the saran wrap up there. Laundry room before, and laundry room after. Moving on to underneath the kitchen sink. Once again, pulling everything out to see what is there and see if there's duplicate items. Because she had lid storage on the door, I had to make sure the right side had enough empty space to be able to handle the lids. Onto the linen closet. These are the after pictures because I forgot to take a before picture. She had only 4 bags of expired food and trash. Thank you for watching.